Winter is passing, spring is on its way. The moon is waning, passing through Sagittarius, another fire sign. It's hedge cutting time. Whether your hedges are native, informal, or formal, cut them before bird nesting season. Pruning now means cleaner cuts. Tidy dead top growth from perennials. But invest in some better gloves. Then, sit back and relax.